Raw milk. Do the benefits of raw milk outweigh the risks? What do you think? Part of being self-sufficient and self-reliant on the homestead is providing your own food. Milk. Milk is a good-for-you food. Milk provides proteins and vitamins and all kinds of good things. The fact is, before the introduction of pasteurization, back in the early 1900s, all the milk we drank and consumed was raw milk. Milk in its natural, right from the cow, unprocessed form. And there are all kinds of raw milks out there on the farm. There's raw cow's milk, raw goat milk, raw chicken milk. The problem isn't the raw milk. The problem happens during the handling and processing of the initially sterile milk. Lots of moms nurse and feed their babies raw milk without any issues. It's not the milk. What about romaine lettuce? What about the countless hamburger recalls? And these are from so-called safe produced industrial commercial facilities, big companies. Do you think big regulated companies are safe and can be trusted? I don't think so. Of course, the government health experts disagree and say people shouldn't consume raw milk. But what is the history of pasteurization? Why did we actually start pasteurizing milk in the first place? It's not what you think, typical government of today. The thing is, back then it had absolutely nothing to do with E. coli or salmonella or even listeria. Nope. Back in the early 1900s, they began pasteurizing milk because of tuberculosis. Yep. Back then, cow tuberculosis was a problem. And this is why pasteurization got started. Today, cow tuberculosis isn't a problem. So, does pasteurizing milk reduce the nutrients? Does it reduce the healthy fatty acids and the proteins? What do you think? Let me know, yes or no, in the comments. You might be thinking, is raw milk even legal? Are you breaking the law if you drink raw cow's milk? Will I go to jail if the man catches me drinking raw milk? Probably not, but it depends a lot on where you live in the world. It varies a lot. Here in the United States, each state is different. At the moment, some states prohibit the sale of raw milk. Some states only allow the sale of raw milk from farms. Some states have a thing called cow shares. You invest in a share of a cow and you can drink the milk. And some states actually allow the sale of raw cow's milk in stores. And these laws are always changing. Lawmakers like to make up new laws. For example, in Tennessee, a senator from the Knoxville area just the other day introduced a bill removing the cow share regulation that has been in place for many years. An elected official deciding he knows what's best for you and your family. What the heck? It's important you share this video with friends and family. Everyone you know that is concerned about government officials overstepping. Freedom, your right to make your own life choices. So-called public safety, government experts, officials telling you what you have to do. Maybe they should spend more time keeping an eye on the big commercial operations with all their many recalls. Yeah, food safety. And leave the self-sufficient homestead and farmer the heck alone. If you have any questions, ask us. We want you living your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and of course, living carefree on your homestead. Live life doing it yourself.